Welcome to Sparks Toyota. My name is Robert Ward. I'm one of the sales and leasing consultants here. I would like to take you out on our lot today to show you one of our new arrivals. Here we have a 2013 Chevrolet Equinox LT. It has a clean Carfax report and comes equipped with power heated side mirrors, roof rails, deep tinted glass, and much more. Stylish and comfortable, the 2013 Equinox is one of our top choices in the highly competitive segment of compact crossovers. This Equinox has 17-inch aluminum alloy wheels and all-season tires with lots of tread left. There's also a spare and tire pressure monitoring system for convenience and safety. As you can see, this Equinox is in great condition. It has halogen protector beam headlamps with auto lamp control, along with fog lights and a really nice charcoal grille with chrome surround to tie it all together. Under the hood you have a 4-cylinder 2.4-liter engine with an automatic transmission. This Equinox has front-wheel drive, and it's estimated that drivers receive an impressive 26 miles per gallon on average. At the back of the Equinox, you can see the antenna, the spoiler, the rear wiper, large brake lights, and sleek badging. Looking to the cargo area, you see that it's very spacious and the back seats fold down easily for more space as needed. This cargo area also features cargo lights for packing or unpacking at night. In the back seat, you'll notice that this Equinox has been very well taken care of. Passengers can use the fold-down armrest with cup holders and a power outlet, as well as a back seat storage. There are also child safety door locks for peace of mind. The front of the cabin is well appointed with nice chrome and metal look interior accents. You have a large console with storage, plenty of cup holders, and another power outlet. This Equinox is also equipped with door bins and OnStar. Here are the easy-to-reach controls for the power side mirrors, the programming power door locks with lockout protection, and the power windows with express down. This Equinox has a very comfortable tilting, telescoping, and leather-wrapped steering wheel with on-wheel controls for cruise, audio, and Bluetooth features. It's also equipped with a very well-lit instrument cluster. The center stack is home to your multimedia features. This includes your classic AM/FM radio with CD player. It's MP3, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth compatible, and you can easily connect devices using the USB and auxiliary ports. You also have climate controls, and everything that you see here is easy to use. Take a look at this backup camera. It's very clear to make backing up a breeze. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 888-272-5869 or visit us at sparkstoyota.com. Thank you.